Nagaland for the last 2 days.
Yeah.
And before that we were in Kaziranga, and then we've come here. So last year when we visited Meghalaya, we wanted to explore more of the Northeast. And
That's
so
why we decided we
the Hornbill Festival this time. And we'd heard about it from a lot of friends who had visited previously, and a lot of travel magazines are now carrying articles about the Hornbill Festival, the color, the rich culture and the heritage that is showcased during the festival. That's something that drew us here. And so this time we planned the trip to, again, it just happens to be the 25th year as well, so we're very excited about that. So we're here today, and then we'll be there for tomorrow, the closing ceremony as well. Very, very well organized. It's so beautifully done, carefully curated. And what really struck us the most was how orderly things are. The cleanliness that's sort of practiced here, and not just here, but in Kohima and in so many other parts of the Northeast, in terms of garbage disposal, no honking, the traffic is so orderly, the city is clean, people are very, very polite and friendly. So it's been a great experience for us. And I think one suggestion would be maybe to have smaller maps that are sort of given out to,
so that easier to just figure out where
navigate what is
where is food stall and where is this
and plan it out. But other than that, I think it's been a great experience and great exposure to the white culture and vibrant culture of the Northeast.
Alright, thank you.
Quickly, I think with maybe our families and maybe with more other friends.
Other friends,
yeah, definitely. I think what struck me the most was, when I was watching all the different dance performances, the kind of history that's given behind the dance, right? And that is either celebrating a harvest festival or a community festival, and how people come together to celebrate different elements of nature. Is something that really
every occasion has a dance or a music.
Yeah. And the thing is that it's so common across different communities in India, and I think so far we've known very little about the Northeast. A festival like the Hornbill Festival is a great way to learn about that. And I think the festival is also helping preserve some of this tradition and give the younger generation a peek into what their forefathers and all practice. So it's great. I mean, I see we are from Chennai, and we see so many similarities in terms of rice and rice-based things that are done here, and how we worship the sun god and your practices of dehusking the rice, the harvest. There's just so many similarities that we see, and it's just that the weather is very different, and the language is different, but then the practices are just so similar. So it's very heartwarming to see how cultures that are so many kilometers apart are still so unique and common at the same time.
Thank you.